Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to be talking about the signaler indicator, and I want to show you how great it can be for you. Now, for those who trade ICT concepts or SMC, this indicator is perfect for you as it has everything you need. Now, there is a 7-day free trial going on, so those links will be in the description below. Now, we're going to jump over to the chart so I can show you a Bitcoin sell that I took on Monday. This is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. Let's jump over to the charts. Okay, cool. So now that we are on the charts, we are on the Bitcoin chart. If you want to add the indicator, invite only, click the signaler on your chart, and this is what you'll get. If you want to rank higher on YouTube, guys, PrimeLink is our sponsor today. And what they can help you do is get your backlinks ranked higher. Now, they do that by changing your ugly long links to short links. They give you QR codes, they give you analytics, and much more. It is trusted by all the top marketers. So if you want to get involved, all the links are in the description below. So go over and check it out right now. Let's get back to the video. We are currently using the smart money concept version, right? So Chock Plus. This means that you are in a bullish swing, right? You were bearish, but then you got your change of character, and now you're bullish in swing. Okay, the smaller dash lines, your boss and your chocks, that is basically your microstructure within, so it plots that out for you, right? So I'm going to show you how I took this sell trade on Monday. We're coming into London, and like I said, we had that Chock Plus here. Okay, so I'm expecting a pullback, right? But bear in mind, we are bullish, so I'm not willing to aim massively far, right? Because I'm expecting to come back into this range before we start going bullish again. So I'm literally just looking for a 1-to-1. So as that happens, we get given a bearish signal right now. So I'm going to be looking to take a sell from this area, okay? Your entry is given there, alerts have gone off, your stop loss behind here, which basically is based on an average true range. So just imagine like a Bollinger Band of the average price. Basically, your stop loss is based on that, and your TP is based on 1-to-1, 2-to-1, and 3-to-1 for your take profits. It's not any more complicated than that. Now, if you trade smart money concepts and you want to stick your stop loss behind the bigger structure or even the smaller structure, that's fine. It will give you a better R&R. Like I said, you can work this out as you please. For this instance, we're just going to shoot for TP1 because we're back into the bullish leg. I don't really want to shoot any further than that with this particular one because, you know, if we aim for TP2, we're basically down in the final third of the leg, and it might not go that far. Kind of 50% is where I want to aim at a maximum. So having said that, quick 1-to-1, stop loss has been put on, take profit has been put on, and I'm in. Risking 1% to gain 1%, right? So we're in, it starts messing around here, fine, we're reacting off a demand that was given out, but like I said, I am expecting that pullback. So a little reaction there is fine. We start pushing down, come back up, starting to respect a little bit more with the demand supply zones, and then we basically break through it. So quick trade, it was done by the end of the day. Like I said, this is a 15-minute chart. It works well on the 15-minute, mostly because you're using structure. That's basically how you draw your structure out on the 15-minute. So super easy trade, risk 1%, gain 1%. Okay, so monetary terms, if you've got a 100 grand account, let's say you pass your funded, and you're risking 1%, you're risking $1,000, but you've just made $1,000 on the account, and that's nothing to turn your nose up. Super easy money, easy signal given, just the smallest amount of technical analysis given to you on the chart, little bit of understanding, and you just know that that's a reasonable area to take your trade to. Very easy money. Now, as I said, guys, there is a 7-day free trial, so go ahead, grab that, test this indicator out on your charts with your strategy, get it all synced up, and you can start seeing the money roll in. Once your 7 days is up, grab the lifetime, so it's just a one-time purchase, $597, it was $1,300, so you are saving over 50% here, which is great. And like I said, this is not going to be around forever, so get it. Then get the bundle before this discount disappears, and you will make that money back anyway with this indicator. So don't be afraid to just grab it and test it. You don't lose anything by getting the free trial. So you might as well grab it. So as you can see, guys, yet another win with the signaler indicator. And as I've shown you, you can really tailor this and make it your own. Now, like I said, 7-day free trial going on. Links are in the description below. So go ahead, click those and test this out yourself. And after, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and hit the bell button so you can be alerted on my next video.